everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be making a mood board for my sleep journal. I'm using one of the Crescent journals that they recently had as a bundle with the Crescent collection on the Archer and Olive website. I'm going to use a piece of black paper from my notepad because I'm going to be doing this in a blackout journal. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of map out how I want this to look and kind of delineate areas for different things. This collection is so pretty. I love the purples and blues and gold, and I'm really excited to incorporate that into my sleep journal. So on my mood board, I'm going to ask myself a couple of questions to get started. The first one is, what is your spread for? And the second question is, what ideas do you have? And I'm just using this as kind of like a brainstorming template to kind of figure out what exactly I want to do. In the second section there, I have a pen test, and I'm going to have 5 lines and 5 circles to try out different pens that I think will go with this collection when I go to start setting up my journal. In the third box, I have washi, and I'm just going to put some washi samples in there so that I can see what washi I really am interested in using. The last section, I am doing my doodles, and for my doodles, I made that the largest section so that I could really try out lots of different things that might go well with my theme. I'm making some little boxes to put the washi in, and it is the standard width of washi. So for the question, what is your spread for? I have sleep journal, dream journal, and sleep tracker. And what ideas do you have? I have moon, stars, nighttime, and blackout. So with my pen test, I am trying multiple acrylographs. The first acrylograph I am using is the Midnight Navy. The second one that I have there is the Primary Purple. I then used the Wanderlust Purple, and that was from the March sub box, and it's such a pretty color. I also have Boysenberry. And then I use the metallic gold. The gel pens I have the blue, the purple, and the white gel pen, which were a mix from the Messy and Bright box as well as the December sub box. The different washis I'm using are mostly from the Crescent collection, and then I have the one glow-in-the-dark one from the Halloween collection, and then some other washi I just had on hand. Then I started doing my doodles, and for my doodles I did different stars and some little leaves and some shooting stars, a dipper, and little like dots and different types of things like that would maybe be really cute to add in on my spreads when I get going in my journal. So this is more of a reference. I think it's really great to map out what kind of things you want to do with your journal. It will make it very easy when I go to set up to just refer back and say, hey, this would be really cute on this day or this page. I also think doing a mood board is just such a great idea if you're kind of stuck and you know that you want to do a spread, but you're not really sure where to start. I think kind of brainstorming and mind mapping your ideas to kind of help your pages come to life is just something that I find a lot of fun to do. I did this with my 2022 initial setup, and it was a really great idea for me because I didn't know exactly where I wanted to go, and my journal ended up being exactly what I wanted it to be. Now, all of the things that I have here, I have spaces for 5 pens, 5 to 6 washis, doodles. This is not to limit you. If you think that you need more, then I would absolutely turn the page over and keep going. Or if you felt like this was too much and you didn't need this much on your mood board, that's fine too. It's really just a guide to help you get to where you want to be with your spread and your bullet journal. On the blog post, there is a printable that you can just print right out and do this on. I had to do this on the blackout page because my pages were black and it made the most sense just to recreate it on the black page. But a lot of people use the white pages, and so you can just print that mood board out and you have an entire mood board ready to go for you to go ahead and kind of get started on your journal or spread. Also, if you're not into using printables, you can just recreate this spread on whatever page you want. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful and that you're able to use a mood board in the future to help get your spread in order. If you recreate this tutorial or use the printable, please share your creation and use the hashtag #OurJournalOfCommunity. I would love to see what you create.